Forgotten username recovery failed on Coinbase Fix. You're trying to get back into your Coinbase account, but the recovery system just won't recognize your email or username. It's one of the most frustrating things that can happen when your money is on the line. But don't panic, most people get this wrong because they overlook one key detail. Coinbase usernames are tied directly to your registered email address, not your display name or nickname. So if you've entered the wrong email, even slightly, the recovery tool won't find your account. Start by searching all your inboxes for Coinbase. The email that received your verification or transaction alerts is the one linked to your account. If you used Google or Apple ID when signing up, that's your real login method. Many users forget they originally signed in that way, which is why recovery through the normal process fails. Next, check your spam or promotions folder. Coinbase's automated recovery messages can sometimes get filtered out. Add no reply Coinbase cam to your safe sender list. If you've changed your email address since creating your Coinbase account, you'll need to contact Coinbase support directly. I'll verify your identity using a photo ID, your date of birth, and transaction history. Once confirmed, they can update your login credentials and restore access. If you're using the app, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. Hashed login data can sometimes block recovery links or cause old data to interfere with new attempts. The key takeaway: your Coinbase recovery isn't broken, it's just picky. Make sure you're using the exact email you registered with, check your spam folders, and remember your sign-in method. With a few simple steps, you'll be back managing your crypto portfolio in minutes.